Hey there, science buddies. Ready to turn your kitchen into a science lab? Hang tight because we're about to dive into 10 crazy science experiments you can do at home. Get ready for some wild and wacky fun. Welcome, one and all, to our super duper science extravaganza. Today, we are shaking things up with some seriously awesome experiments that'll make you say, "Whoa, that's cool." Let's jump right in. Now, I know what you're thinking. Science can be a bit scary sometimes. But fear not, my friends. These experiments are so easy, even a goldfish could do them. Well, maybe not, but you get the idea. So, let's put on our safety goggles and get this party started. First up, we've got the classic Mentos and soda fountain. All you need is some soda and a pack of Mentos for a fizzy explosion that'll have you jumping for joy. Just make sure to stand back, unless you want to be caught in a soda shower. Next on the list is the magical rainbow milk trick. Picture this: milk, food coloring, and a dash of dish soap. Mix them all together, and bam! You've got yourself a psychedelic swirl of colors that'll make you feel like you're in a groovy 70s disco. But hold onto your lab coats, because the grand finale is here, the homemade lava lamp. It's like having your own mini volcano right in your living room. Just watch as the colorful blobs dance and twirl, putting on a show that's out of this world. And that's a wrap, folks. 3 crazy science experiments that'll have you giggling, gasping, and maybe even learning a thing or two along the way. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your test tubes and get experimenting. If you had a blast with today's experiments, senne, pun totally intended, weird, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below for more science shenanigans. And hey, drop a comment with your favorite experiment or any wild ideas you have for future videos. Until next time, stay curious and keep on sciencing.